Yo, what's going on, family? We back again, once again. PokeDare's channel, pack a day, every day, day number 388. And let's see if we can pull another Pikachu. That would be fire. We is looking for the Latios and the Latias. And what else we in here? I think it's the Sirloos or something like that. I believe that is. Put it in the comment section. Please. So we got some Surgeon Sparks in. See if we hit something good. QR code for the family. Bam, thank you, man. Gone. Back at Surgeon. I guess we is with Surgeon Sparks, but back at Scarlet and Violet. So let's see. We got a Shrootle, Kecleon. Ooh, look at that detail work. See? Look at that fire. Now, Scarlet and Violet, the video game was like this. The graphics would have been crazy, man. This is nice. This Tramp Pitch. This Chronogel, I think that's how you pronounce it. Fire though, I like it. This ice water Pokemon. Okay. We got this Roaring Fire. Look at the detail work underneath the water. Sick. Love this Magnezone. This Magnezone is fire. Look at that art and detail work, family. Look at the lighting of the thunderbolts and stuff like that. The lighting of bolts striking off of them. The magnets right here. That's fire. I love that. Gholdengo. Nice. Very good structure, detail work. Nice art. We got this Rotom. Fire. We have this Bronzor. Okay. And a Dialga. Nothing. The basic energy fire. So we didn't get nothing in Surgeon Sparks, but that's alright. Win some, lose some. It be like that sometimes, family. Now, give an update. And like I said, family, we're giving an update of the binder. So giving away 8 binders. The first 2 pages will be filled up from everything that we filled up in my personal Lucario binder. Like I said, we got about 4.5 pages to fill up. We'll count the pages towards the end. Let's go. We got some trainers, some full art, some EXs, some Apexes. We have alt arts. We have reverse hollows, Pokeballs, Master Balls. I even got some Sword and Shield for all my Sword and Shield fans. EXs, Vs, VMAXs, Shinies, Trainers, Rainbow Borders, some promos, all that good stuff. All that good stuff is coming in the binders, family. Everybody will have different stuff in their binders. Split it up just evenly. Like I said, the promo cards, you could tell by the shiny borders on the side. The cards. Check it out. Just giving y'all an update of the binders. I love that boba. Salamence, of course. Giving y'all a rundown of what's going on, how we looking so far. And once the binder is filled up, we will be doing the giveaway. So I'm gonna repeat that one more time. Once the binder is filled up, we will be doing the giveaway. Check that out, family. Looking real nice, looking real clean. I have 8 of these, so all 8 binders will have at least one of these promo cards from Perfect Order. Sleep Fable, nice. More Sword and Shield, more shinies, promos. Sword and Shield don't have a lot of Vs and VMAXs, but I had a lot of reverse hollows and stuff like that when it comes to Sword and Shield. Rito. Check it out. Here you go. Look at that. Got some nice cards in here. Got more promos. Only have 5 of these, so at least 5 books will have at least 5, one of each. Hope y'all enjoy your cards. I do got 2 of these, so we got like doubles and triples. We're gonna try to split them up as much as possible. And like I Like I said, we just got our second one yesterday. We didn't get nothing today, but it's okay. Let's count our pages left over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Once this last page filled up, we're doing the giveaway. Check out the names. Here are the giveaway names we have so far. So if you see your name on here, congratulations. Do not worry. I got more spaces to fill up. We have 47 slots right now. So if you see your name, congrats. And I'll let you know how to be a part of this in 1 second, family. Bam. And then we have our 48th name right there. We got Beta. So if you want to be part of the giveaway and get your name signed on here, I'll start adding the numbers. All you got to do, if you're new to the family, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Hit the hype button in the comment section. Either put your favorite Pokemon or add your name and say, yo, D, add me to the contest, and I'll add your name to the list. And if you're already part of the family, all you got to do is hit that like button, share the content, hit the hype button, put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section. Or you put your name in the comment section and say, yo, D, add me to the list. If you already see your name already on the first page, pardon me. So if you don't see your name on here, yo, drop your name, sub up, hit that like button, and hype up the content. And I appreciate all the love and support. So you already know our motto. Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Y'all hurry up to fill up this list, y'all, so I can win y'all some good prizes. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. See y'all later on. Deuces.